Advancing technology and rapid urbanization has led to resurgence in population growth, which aids the transport system to simultaneously expand, improve, and innovate. India, being one of the fastest growing economies, invites the proposal of Hyperloop and HSR as a means of travel and the International Finance Service Center for its commerce. The means of inter and intra-city movement is a critical element for defining a city's physical, social, and economical characteristics. Mass transit systems are vital not only for a smooth functioning of the city but also creating its identity. The thesis aims for research and development of infrastructure of the proposed Hyperloop and HSR transportation hub as a mixed-use development, integrating the proposed International Finance Service Center. The system, being at the innovation forefront of transportation, demanded a research-oriented design procedure, which was the USP of the project. The HSR and Hyperloop line is proposed from Ahmedabad to Mumbai and Mumbai to Pune, creating an opportunity for an integrated mixed-use transportation hub starting from the Bandra Kurla complex, which is one of the most prominent planned business districts. This diagram represents the Bandra Kurla complex that gives an idea about the context, pattern, grain of the masses, surrounding land use and typology of buildings, heights, wind directions, road networks, proposed HSR and Hyperloop line, and the proposed site for the project. The site, being accessible from all four sides, a central location in BKC, connectivity to other transit systems, and a proposal of International Finance Service Center gives an opportunity to create an icon for the precinct and an identity for the city due to the typology of the project and the corresponding context. The site, with an area of 12.35 acres and allowable FAR4, houses two components of functional program, namely HSR and Hyperloop Transportation Hub, and International Finance Service Center, which is subdivided into retail, office, and hotel spaces based on the requirement of the site. The vision was to create a gateway which not only helps in the smooth functioning of the city but also creates its identity. The design aims to express movement and importance of urban infrastructure through its futuristic architecture, program, and scale. As a response to site condition, position of water body and green buffer was conceptualized. Efficient and segregated circulation pattern for different typology of users were fixed, which resulted to a conceptual massing and zoning of different functional programs for the project. Due to the complex program, vertical zoning of different typology of functions addresses a unique solution to the segregation and circulation required for each function. The ground level acts as a main entryway for the transportation hub, planned with sufficient retail activity to support the commerce, which extends beyond, creating an open recreational rooftop cafeteria. The station is sliced vertically into 5 sections that supports car parking and service spaces, ticketing and administrative spaces, main concourse level, and the platform level at its proposed level underground. To avoid chaos and maintain a smooth flow, the sections are horizontally divided to segregate arriving and departing passengers with segregated facilities and vertical circulation elements. Above the roof structure, the International Finance Service Center is designed with its supported multi-level car parking spaces. The design centers around the expression of pedestrian movement in and around the transportation hub, providing a continuous pedestrian path with breaks at regular intervals. The vehicular internal roads have been segregated for private and public transport to maintain smooth flow of vehicles and avoiding traffic. The design follows a hierarchy in the planning of spaces that complements the nature and character of the transportation hub. The view of the pedestrian code depicts this nature, scale, and edge of the building. The interior space is divided into horizontal and vertical layers, creating void inside the mass that is used to guide the movement of people through the building. The section reflects upon the vertical voids and gives an idea of the nature and scale of the space created. The design focuses on the abstraction of transportation hub as a gateway to the city. The void that extends till the main concourse level of the station, with changing functions at different levels and covered by a super roof system, gives an abstraction of people departing and alighting through this gateway. The roof structure extends to create a porch and a separate entrance for the users of the International Finance Service Center, which gives singularity to the entire project. The back approach road makes way for the service entrance of the International Finance Service Center and the exit for the multi-level car parking, avoiding congestion on the main side of the International Finance Service Center. It also aids for direct entrances to the retail spaces and basement car parking spaces to avoid congestion at the main Bandra Kurla complex road. The final design for Transportation Hub was achieved through iteration of design possibilities. Being one of the most advanced means of transportation, the infrastructure becomes a crucial element in determining and defining the city's physical, social, and economical characteristics, responsible not only for the smooth functioning of the city but also creating its identity. The proposal expressed movement through its hierarchy of spaces and creation of vertical and horizontal voids that guides the movement of commuters, giving them an essence of alighting or departing through a gateway of the city.